pen, no book. Just listen, speak and learn. Fluent speakers are not smarter, they just practice differently. In this video, we learn basic question and answering conversation. So, let's get started. What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up? I wake up at 6 a.m. I wake up at 6 a.m. What's the first thing you do? What's the first thing you do? I drink a glass of lukewarm water. I drink a glass of lukewarm water. What do you eat for breakfast? What do you eat for breakfast? I usually have toast and coffee. I usually have toast and coffee. Do you cook breakfast yourself? Do you cook breakfast yourself? Yes, I make simple meals. Yes, I make simple meals. Are you a good cook? Are you a good cook? I am learning to cook better. I am learning to cook better. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? I love pizza and pasta. I love pizza and pasta. Do you eat out often? Do you eat out often? Sometimes on weekends. Sometimes on weekend. What's your favorite restaurant? What's your favorite restaurant? There's a nice Indian place nearby. There's a nice Indian place nearby. Do you go there with friends? Do you go there with friends? Yes, we go together sometimes. Yes, we go together sometimes. How many close friends do you have? How many close friends do you have? I have about 3 close friends. I have about 3 close friends. How often do you see them? How often do you see them? We meet every weekend. We meet every weekend. What do you do together? What do you do together? We watch movies or go shopping. We watch movies or go shopping. Do you like shopping? Do you like shopping? Yes, especially for clothes. Yes, especially for clothes. Where do you usually shop? Where do you usually shop? At the mall nearby house. At the mall nearby house. How often do you buy new clothes? How often do you buy new clothes? Maybe once a month. Maybe once a month. What's your favorite color to wear? What's your favorite color to wear? I like wearing blue and black. I like wearing blue and black. Do you follow fashion trends? Do you follow fashion trends? A little but prefer comfort. A little but prefer comfort. What do you do on weekends? What do you do on weekends? Relax and spend time with family. I relax and spend with my family. Do you have a big family? Do you have a big family? No, it's small, just my parents and brother. No, it's small, just my parents and brother. Does your brother live nearby? Does your brother live nearby? Yes, he lives in the same city. Yes, he lives in the same city. What does he do? What does he do? He is a teacher at a high school. He is a teacher at high school. Do you see him often? Do you see him often? We have dinner together every Sunday. We have dinner together every Sunday. What about your parents? What about your parents? They live about an hour away. They live about an hour away. How often do you visit them? How often do you visit them? Usually twice a month. Usually twice a month. Do you call them regularly? Do you call them regularly? Yes, I call them every few days. Yes, I call them every few days. What do you like to do for fun? What do you like to do for fun? I enjoy reading books. I enjoy reading books. What kind of books do you read? What kind of books do you read? Mostly scientific and mystery novels. Mostly scientific and mystery novels. Where do you get your books? Where do you get your books? From the library or bookstore. From the library or bookstore. Do you have a library card? Do you have a library card? Yes, I have had one for years. Yes, I have had one for years. Beside reading, what else do you enjoy? Beside reading, what else do you enjoy? I like watching TV shows. I like watching TV shows. What's your favorite TV shows? What's your favorite TV show? I love medical drama. I love medical dramas. Do you watch show in English? Do you watch show in English? Yes, it helped me practice. Yes, it helps me practice. यदि ये वीडियो आपके लिए हेल्पफुल रही होगी तो प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा और कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कीजिएगा कि आप इस वीडियो में और क्या चाहते हैं। आज के लिए बस इतना ही। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग।